process. Irreversible process. Listen. Basically, this process is also thermodynamic process. This is also thermodynamic process. In this process, what will happen? Basically, irreversible process is a thermodynamic process that cannot be made to go in reverse direction. So, how we can write? A process or a thermodynamic process, a thermodynamic process that cannot be made to go, that cannot be made to go in a reverse direction. That cannot be made to go in reverse direction. Such kind of process we are going to treat it as what? Irreversible process. So reversible process means exactly process will be reversed, and irreversible process means in only one direction process will be carrying out. Clear? So this is about reversible process and irreversible process. Clear? Okay. So next we are going to solve on the basis of previous all classes. That means basically the concept what we are using means isothermal process, adiabatic process, okay, and isochoric process, isobaric process. So before going to that numerical part, one small part what we are going to discuss over here means isobaric process. In isobaric process, how we are going to get a graph of P versus V, that means pressure versus volume graph, how we are going to get that, we are going to check it now. Clear? So this is pressure, this is volume V, basically y-axis, x-axis. Okay. Isobaric means constant pressure. So you are going to get a graph in this manner. Clear? Pressure value will be constant as volume value is changing. So this is nothing but nature of graph in case of isobaric process. Okay. And next one, in case of isochoric process, how you are going to get the graph? Isochoric process means how you will be expecting the graph. This is nothing but basically isobaric process. Isochoric process means in isochoric process what will happen? So P values and V values, this is y-axis, x-axis basically. So isochoric means volume value will be constant, so you are going to get a graph in this manner. Clear? Volume value will be constant for different values of pressure. So these two graphs also you have to remember. Shall we go to next numerical part? So if you understand all equations as well as graph means, we can solve these upcoming questions now. So now the question what we are going to solve, this question has been asked in JEE Advanced 2017. Clear? JEE 2017. This is advanced question. JEE 2017. In advanced exam they had asked this. So what they had asked means, basically 3 columns they had given. Okay. So let me write here column 1, here column 2, here column 3. Okay. Now in first column they had given some work done values. So what work done values they had given means, first one they had given work done in the process 1 to 2. Work done in the process 1 to 2. Value they had given 1 divided by gamma minus 1 inside the bracket P2 V2 minus P1 V1. P2 V2 minus P1 V1. Clear? And next second one they had given, these are all work done equations they had given. Second value they had given, work done in the process 1 to 2 is given as minus PV2 plus PV1. Minus PV2 plus PV1. Clear? Okay. Next, in third case, that means third point they had given, work done in the process 1 to 2 is 0. Work done in the process 1 to 2, this value stands as 0. Clear? And next they had given work done in the process 1 to 2 is given as, work done in the process 1 to 2 is given as minus nRT log V2 by V1 to the base E. V2 by V1 to the base E. Clear? These many data they had given in first column, column 1. In column 2 they had given again 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to match the following, like match the following type, and some questions they had asked based on that again. So here they had given first one here isothermal process. This is isothermal. And second one they had given isochoric. Second one we are having what? Isochoric. And third one we are having isobaric. Fourth one adiabatic. This is isobaric. And last one adiabatic. Clear? Okay. Now next in third column, what all the things they had given means, in third column they had given P versus V curves basically. Okay. So they had given PQRS here, names as PQRS like this. So first graph is in this manner, P versus V, where process is in this manner. This is 1, this is 2, 1 to 2 arrow mark. Clear? Next, in Q they had given, in Q graph they had given this is P, Q. Here they had given this is 1, this is 2, processes in this manner. Clear? Next, third option R they had given. In R they had given P versus, sorry, this is not Q, this is P versus V, sorry. So P versus V. So here they had given process in this manner 1 to 2. Again this is all continuation, same only. Clear? And last one, yes, they had given this is P, this is V, and straight line. Okay, from here they had given 1, here they had given 2. Clear? So now you have to match the following. So now start along with me. First one equation they had given 1 by gamma minus 1 P2 V2 minus P1 V1. Okay. which is this process, that means for which process we are going to get work done equation in this manner. 1 by gamma minus 1 inside P2 V2 minus P1 V1. For adiabatic process we are going to get now, what is the expression for adiabatic? NR by gamma minus 1 inside the bracket T1 minus T2, correct no? So NR, if you are multiplying with the T means it will become NRT. NRT is nothing but what? PV. Clear? So first one refers for fourth one. So where I can write here? Okay. First one refers for here fourth one. Adiabatic graph maximum slope. So here minimum slope, here maximum slope, here zero slope, here slope is infinite. So stands for value stands for Q. Clear? Are you getting? Next one. Second one equation what we are having? Second one. Work done from 1 to 2 minus PV2 plus PV1. So if I take out P common here means what I am going to get V1 minus V2, which is nothing but delta V. P into delta V. P into delta V, pressure is constant. Pressure is constant, isobaric process, correct? So isobaric process, second one refers for third one. And isobaric process, pressure is constant here. Pressure is constant means option P. Clear? Now third one, work done in the process 1 to 2 is 0 means displacement is not happening. Displacement is not happening means volume is constant. Volume is constant means isochoric process. Third one stands for isochoric process. Isochoric here stands for 2. Isochoric process, volume constant, option yes. Clear? Understanding or not? Okay. Next, last one we are having. Remaining pair what we are having? Fourth one stands for work done in the process 1 to 2 minus nRT log V2 by V1. This is nothing but expression for isothermal. Negative sign means work done on the system. Positive sign means work done by the system. This is work done on the gas system. No doubt isothermal process. Fourth one stands for, here first one we are having. Isothermal process means among these two, this is adiabatic means R stands for isothermal process. Clear? So now, along with this, they had asked one more question. That means after matching, this is advanced level question means like this only they will be asking. After completion of this part, they had asked that, so which combination will represent, that means among these four combinations, which combination will represent a thermodynamic process which is used in correction and determining speed of sound. Listen, this concept you are going to get in waves chapter. Clear? So in waves chapters you will be going to get this basically. So basically in waves chapter you are going to get this concept. So where you are going to learn about how Newton's, that means basically initially that person told that sound waves will be traveling basically sound waves will be traveling in the manner of isothermal process, but later what happened means one more scientist came and added correction for that person name is Laplace. Okay, so there he told that that is not isothermal process, that is adiabatic process. So correct option here stands for 1 stands for 4. That means where adiabatic process you are having, that option will be correct one over here. Clear? That's why for that question this combination will be correct. And one more question they had asked, which result will give delta U is equal to Q minus P delta V basically. Okay, which result you are going to get, that means it will give delta U is equal to Q minus P delta V. Q minus P delta V. So what will happen over here? According to first law of thermodynamics, we know that Q is equal to delta U plus work done, correct no? But work done value is nothing but P delta V, means this formula is considered when pressure value is constant. So pressure value is constant means which process will holds good? Pressure constant means isobaric process, third one. So where you are having third one, this option, this will be correct for that question. Clear? Go through that question paper. Okay, you are going to get this question. Clear? Shall I erase the board? Okay, shall I erase the board? Copied? Okay. Listen, next question what we are going to discuss, that is JEE JEE advanced question which has been asked in 2013. JEE 2013 advanced question. Okay. So in this 2013 what they had asked means, they had given one graph basically. So P versus V graph they had given, but here what all the things they had added in this graph means, first one they had given one straight line like this, okay, and next two curves like this, okay, and next here one line is there, okay, and next they had given values. This value is basically V naught, and here volume values, and here value is P naught, okay, and this value is given to you 32 P naught. This value is 32 P naught. 32 P naught. Clear? Can you able to see this 32? This value is 32 P naught. Okay. And some arrow marks they had given over here. So arrow marks are in this manner. This is first arrow mark, second arrow mark, second, third arrow mark, and again here to here, here to here. Okay. And they had named this as F, this as E, this as H, and this one as G. Clear? And along with this much hint, again they had given, they are using 1 mole of monoatomic gas. Okay, so 1 mole of monoatomic ideal gas basically. Okay, 1 mole of monoatomic ideal gas. And again what all the things they had given means, two parts they had given. In first part they had given process, okay, two columns like this. In first part they had given process, from first process is from G to E, okay, and next process they had given G to H, and next process again they had given F to H, and last one they had given F to G. And in second part they had given some values. First value is 160 P naught V naught log 2, 160 P naught V naught log 2 to the base E, and next value they had given 36 P naught V naught, okay, next value given 24 P naught V naught, and one more value they had given 31 P naught V naught. 31 P naught V naught. Now very carefully you should have to solve this problem, because here value for V, here value for V they had not given. Clear? Are you understanding what I am telling? Here value for V, here value for V they had not given. Now these two are slopes. Which is having maximum slope, that is nothing but which process? Adiabatic process. This is nothing but what? Isothermal process. First process G to E. G to E. Constant pressure value is coming from G to E. Pressure is constant. Pressure is constant means what is the work done formula? Work done is nothing but what? P into delta V. Delta V value final minus initial. Final value V naught minus initial value we don't know. Here value V we don't know. So how to calculate that value? Now if this F to G is isothermal process means, if F to G is isothermal process means, for this process I can apply P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. I want here no volume. This V value I know, this P value I know. That means P1 V1 I am knowing. P1 V1 is equal to P2 I am knowing. V2 I should have to calculate. From this equation V2 will become what? P1 V1 by P2. So V2 is equal to P1 V1 by P2 means P1 value 32 P naught, V1 value V naught, 32 P naught V naught, P1 V1 completed, 32 P naught V naught divided by P2. P2 value is P naught. So P naught will get cancelled. This value will turn out to be how much? 32 P naught. Sorry, 32 V naught. Clear? So 32 V naught if you substitute here means what you are going to get? P naught minus 32 V naught minus 31 V naught minus 31 P naught V naught minus 31 P naught V naught. This is nothing but work done by the gas. Work done on the gas means value will be reverse. So 31 P naught V naught. So G to E process means value this one will be correct. Okay, 31 P naught V naught. Next one G to H process they had given. G to H again just try this one. G to H. What you are going to get in terms of G to H? How you have to solve? G to H again happening for constant pressure. Correct now? G to H process is carrying at constant pressure means again work done formula is nothing but what? Work done is nothing but P into delta V. So P into G to H. Final minus initial. Initial value we came to know 32 V naught. But this value we don't know. Initial volume. Here volume we don't know. This value we don't know. So how to calculate that value? Process is which process? Adiabatic process. For adiabatic process, how to solve the? For adiabatic process, what is the equation? P1 V1 power gamma is equal to P2 V2 power gamma. Correct now? P1 V1 power gamma is equal to P2 V2 power gamma. Clear? Now, just slowly start solving. Gamma value you should have to calculate. Okay? Okay, gamma value if you calculate means, what is the formula for gamma? 1 plus 2 by F. If you calculate means you are going to get 5 by 3. Okay, given that monatomic gas means monatomic F value will be how much? 3. 1 plus 2 divided by 3 means value will become 5 by 3. Next, P1 value is nothing but what? Here this process, adiabatic process means P1 V1 we don't know, but P1 V1 we know, P2 we know, V2 we don't know. Clear? So based on that, if you solve means, try it in your home. Similar in this manner only, P1 value, V1 value substitute, gamma value substitute completely. Just by substituting only, you should have to calculate what? V2 value. So finally you are going to get V2 value as 8 V naught. Clear? Check it. If you are not getting means, just note it somewhere, and when college starts, you just ask me, I will tell you how to solve this one. Clear? So V2 value is 8 V naught means here you are going to substitute 8 V naught. So 8 V naught minus 32 V naught means value will become how much? 24 V naught. Correct no? 24 P naught V naught minus 24 P naught V naught. Clear? Minus 24 P naught V naught. So plus 24 P naught V naught means this is work done by the system, work done on the system. Clear? Next, F to H process means third one. Process given now F to H. F2H process, which is that process? You just check about this one. F2H is adiabatic process. What is the formula for adiabatic process work done? W is equal to NR by gamma minus 1 inside the bracket T1 minus T2. T1 minus T2. Clear? So if you substitute the values means, otherwise you can consider it as gamma minus 1. Instead of writing gamma minus 1, you can consider 1 minus gamma also. No changes. 1 minus gamma here, T2 minus T1. Okay, this is more convenient. Go for this one only. So T2 minus T1, this one. So if you substitute and calculate means what you are going to get a W value. N value, number of moles. R value, what is our R value? R value, anything they had given? Nothing. So R value they had not given means just take out this NR value inside, because T1, T2 value is not given. So NR T2 minus NR T1 whole divided by 1 minus gamma. NR T2 means value will be PV is equal to NRT, no? That's why this value will turn out to be what? P2 V2 minus P1 V1, correct? Whole divided by 1 minus gamma. So P2 V2 value, P1 V1 value will you substitute? So P2 V2 means value will be 8 P0 V0. Clear? How you are going to get 8 P0 V0? P2 V2. This process. Here value how much you got earlier? This value was how much we got? 8 V0. Clear? In second case when we were solving, this value we got 8 V0. So value will turn out to be what here? P2 V2 means 8 P0, 8 V0 into P0 means value will be 8 P0 V0 minus P1 V1 means this one. P1 V1 means 32 P0 V0. So final answer you are going to get here 36 P0 V0. Clear? This value will stands for 36 P0 V0. Solve it correctly. And last value from F to G means process is nothing but what? F to G isothermal process. Value for isothermal process work done value what we are having? nRT log of V2 by V1 to the base E. Okay, substitute the values. If you are not having T value, now in this problem you are not having T value means just change it to P1 V1 log to the base E V2 by V1. Okay, and proceed. So V2 value is 32 V0, V1 value is V0. So P1 V1 value will turn out to be 32 P0 V0. Solve it correctly, you are going to get 160 P0 V0 log 2 to the base E. Clear? So practice more and more, don't waste your time. So keep studying. Thank you.